brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of peace. I accept my parents, teachers, and elders. I safety everyone. Bid 26. To my country and my people, and place my goals in their well-being and prosperity alone, national happiness. Thank you, ma'am.